guys, you can check it the bike, how beautiful it is. It's wonderful. You can see it's very expensive. It cost around 20 to 25,000 euros. Very beautiful. So expensive it is. You told me 25 around, yeah? And how powerful it is?
636.
Wow, 636. So just imagine he's repairing, just already one tire is burst, and you can see the bike is awesome from every side. It's very colorful, and just imagine. Right now, and he makes so many tricks on the bike. I will show you all those tricks also.
Guys, these tricks are very dangerous. Do not try alone, and I am not the responsible. These are specialists. Recently one of the friend have died, these guys, so I don't want to take any risk. It's up to you.